Today, I want to tell you one story. The name of the story is The Magic Herb. What is the name of the story? The Magic Herb. Once there was one inn. I-double-N. Inn means hotel, where you can eat as well as you can stay. So once there was an inn, and it was evening. It was evening. The door of the inn was closed, and there came a merchant outside the inn. That merchant came near the door and he knocked the door. Knock, knock, knock. And the innkeeper, he came near the door. The innkeeper from inside asked, "Who is there outside the door?" And the person who is outside the door, he said, "I am a poor merchant. Today, I want to spend the night at your inn." The innkeeper, he was unpleased because the person who is outside the inn, he was poor merchant. Still, he opened the door. And that merchant came inside the inn. The merchant said, "I have some merchandise and I don't have any servant. Today I want to spend night at your inn and I want to eat simple meal." The innkeeper, he was very unhappy because of the poorness of the merchant. Then he went in the kitchen. There was his wife. He spoke with his wife. "Oh wife, today there came a poor merchant and he wanted to eat simple meal." His wife was also not a kind one. She said, "What will he pay us? He is a poor merchant, and what will he pay us? He will not pay anything to us. So why have you given him a chance to come inside our inn?" The innkeeper said, "It is the question of our reputation. That's why I allowed that merchant to come in our inn. You don't worry. I have an idea. I have a magic herb with me. You prepare good meal and we will add that magic herb in the meal. And the merchant, he will forget something. He may forget his merchandise and we will have that merchandise with us. Don't worry." So that wife, she prepared very nicely and she added magic herb. She added magic herb in the meal. Now the poor merchant, he ate that meal without any suspension. He did not suspect. He did not suspect that there is something in the meal. He enjoyed the meal happy and he slept. Next morning, the innkeeper and his wife, they went to the merchant's room. And they were searching here and there. But there was nothing in the room. They saw in each corner of the room, but there was nothing at any corner of the room. And the merchant was also not there. The innkeeper said, "The magic herb is very strong. The merchant must have forgotten something in the room." They searched each and every corner of the room, but there was nothing. And at last, the merchant's wife, she put her hand on her forehead and she spoke with her husband. "Oh husband, the merchant, he forgot to pay us the money. He left our inn without paying money." So that is the story. And the innkeeper never made use of that magic herb in the life henceonward. That is story. Okay. So thank you. I will ask you some questions. Actually, this story is from 6th standard. I taught this story to the students of 6th standard. I will ask you some questions if you have understood the story. Tell me, what is the name of the story? Yes. Stand up. Yes, please stand up. The magic herb. Let us give a big hand for Vaishnavi. The magic herb is the name of the story. Okay. Now tell me, one day who came to the inn? Who came to that hotel? Yes, Sangarsh. A merchant came to that hotel. Very good. Let us give a big hand for Sangharsh. How was that merchant? How was that merchant? Was he poor? Yes, stand up. Say loudly. The merchant was poor. Let us give a big hand for Pratik. The merchant was poor. Now tell me, is there any servant with the merchant? Is there any servant with the merchant? Did that merchant have any servant with him to carry his luggage? Ganesh? Sangharsh? Do that merchant have any servant with him to carry his luggage, merchandise, to carry his merchandise? Did the merchant come alone or he came with another person? He came alone. He did not have any merchant. He did not have any servant. He came alone. Okay. Now, when the innkeeper spoke with his wife about the merchant, was his wife happy or unhappy? Was his wife happy or unhappy? Yes?
Happy.
Yes?
Unhappy.
Unhappy. Very good. Let us give a big hand. Do you want to repeat the answer, Shirsagar? Okay.
Unhappy.
He was unhappy. She was unhappy. Okay, very good. Now, what was the idea? What was the idea in the mind of that innkeeper? What idea came in the mind of innkeeper? What idea came in the mind of innkeeper? Yes, Shirsagar?
Magic herb.
They decided to add magic herb in the meal. They decided to add magic herb in that meal. Okay. They added magic herb in the meal. Did that merchant have any? Did he suspect? Did he suspect the meal when he ate the meal? Did the merchant suspect the meal when he ate the meal? Did he have any suspicion? Yes or no? Stand up.
No.
He did not have any suspicion. He tasted the meal happy. Next day, when the innkeeper and his wife went to the room of merchant, did they find anything in the room? Did they find anything in the room? Did they find anything in the room?
No.
They did. Stand up.
No.
They find nothing in the room. So, what did the merchant forget? What did the merchant forget? What did the merchant forget? He forget to pay the money. Thank you. Have you understood the story or not? I think many students haven't understood the story.